Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Review and Fix channel. Today, I'm sharing the best keyboard shortcuts for troubleshooting your PC whether it's frozen, lagging, or acting weird. These shortcuts will save you time and frustration, so let's jump in. First, let's talk about shortcuts that give you control over your system. Ctrl Shift Esc instantly opens Task Manager to force close unresponsive programs. Win+X opens the quick link menu for fast access to system tools like Device Manager and Command Prompt. Win+R opens the Run dialog box, perfect for launching diagnostic tools like msconfig or dxdiag. When your computer starts misbehaving, what's your first move? Ctrl Shift B restarts your graphics driver, perfect for display issues or black screen problems. Shift Restart, holding Shift while clicking Restart opens advanced recovery options like Safe Mode. Win+L quickly locks your computer to prevent unauthorized access. Finally, sometimes things just get cluttered. Here are shortcuts to regain control. Alt+Tab switches between apps, great for checking if a program is frozen. Win+D minimizes all windows, revealing your desktop instantly. Win+Arrow key snaps windows to different sides to organize your workspace. Did you know these shortcuts? Or do you have a favorite troubleshooting tip? Drop a comment below. Subscribe for more tech tips. Like if you found this helpful.